Welcome back to Send Crypto. It is August 21st, 2019, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. The current price of BTC, it is 10,060 on Binance and roughly 10,060 also on Bybit, right? Because most of you guys use this. Most of you guys like to use Bybit, so I just have to use Bybit as a reference. So we're going to talk about BTC, and then we're going to talk about different aspects of BTC. We're going to compare, this, bearish pattern, and then, compared to this bearish pattern compared to the previous bearish pattern, we got like roughly around like a 6K level, because it is very important to go back and compare like BTC price action back in the 6K level, because I've made like a lot of research like back in like the 6K level, right? And then I was kind of pretty surprised, like after BTC dropped down to the 6K level, just about this area. I mean, not the 6K but the 3K level, and I was looking back and I was like, man, look at this bearish pattern, right? Hopefully we're gonna get something similar to it in the future, and then we're gonna take advantage of it. So keep that in mind, guys. We're gonna talk about these two patterns, and then we're gonna compare them and then see like where could we be heading to, at least for the short term. So if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and then join the Telegram group. The link to the Telegram group is underneath the description. It is under the description, and then you can click on it and join the free membership. And then if you would like to join the paid group to receive like signals, you can just shoot me an email or shoot me a private message, and then I'm gonna tell you how to join. Okay, so it is less than $3 a day, less than $3 a day, guys, less than $3 a day, $3 a day, and then you're gonna receive ton of signals, basically roughly 3 to 5 times a week, not a day, and then you're gonna be very profitable. And then make sure to do that, and then join the Telegram group, right? So let's get started with BTC right now. Right now it is roughly 10,048, and then if you take a look at this pattern, most people are not paying attention to this pattern, right? Even though I was pretty bullish on BTC, but right now with this pattern, my bullishness about BTC is roughly about like 55%. I'm like 45% bearish right now. I'm 45% bearish, even though I was like, at some point I was like 90% bullish when BTC was like in the 6K, stuff like that. Right now I'm only about 55% bullish on BTC, right? So we just have to be very careful. But at the same time, the drop down, the major move from this area, right, down to this area, from this area, right, from like 14K to roughly the neckline. The neckline, it is roughly right around like 8,000, right? 8,000 level, right? So if like we break this neckline, since like the neckline, it is not a linear horizontal line, right? It is a positive slope, so it is hard to say like where is the neckline, basically. But where is the neckline? But the neckline is right here. But what I mean is that at what point you're going to take your one-to-one extension? Are you going to take it from the middle of the line, or you're going to take it from this point, from the the breakout area? So, but just to be conservative, just put it in the middle of the neckline, just to be conservative. If you want to be more conservative, you can put it right here, okay? And then you're going to be like, okay, the one-to-one extension going to be roughly around like a 4K level, right? But we might not get to 4K, but a 0.618 extension also is pretty much valid, which is roughly around 6K in this range, okay? 6K in this range. So we just have to be careful, right? And then if you want to compare this pattern like to the 6K level pattern, the drop wasn't like wasn't linear, okay? Afterward we moved sideways like for let's say from September to November. That's like 3 months, right? So, and then if you take a look at it, I keep telling you guys, after like BTC like made this pattern of a head and shoulder, we got a 3-way move to the upside in this area, 1, 2, 3, right? And then we got another move, 1, 2, 3, right? you're gonna think like BTC gonna drop and then we're gonna push to the upside before, you know, drop into the downside. We could be making the same pattern in this area also. So don't expect like the drop to be like so aggressive, and then you know, we're gonna drop like next week or so. So we got this move 1, 2. We could push again to the upside, even like to 11 too. So we just have to be very careful. Okay, you know, I'm thinking like we're gonna drop right now, but at the same time we're gonna put our stop losses in case like we got a fake out and then push to the upside up to like you know, 12, not 12 but 11.2 to 11.4 in that range, right, before making another 3 wave down, right, and another possible push to the upside and a drop. So we just have to be careful. We can get like a nasty correction in this area, and then we could be losing all our money in this area. So we just have to be careful. That's why I keep telling you guys, you have to practice putting your stop loss. It doesn't matter who's giving you like a signal. Even like the best traders, if the best trader is giving you a signal and you're not putting your stop losses, you're not gonna survive. Okay, you're not gonna survive. It is just what it is. Okay, it is just what it is. Even if you join like the private group, and then you're not putting your stop losses, I can't do anything. Okay, it's nothing I can do. You're gonna lose all your money, and then you're gonna be blaming yourself. All right, make sure to put your stop losses. Okay, I'm trying to help you out, guys, but I cannot help you if you're not putting your stop losses. Okay, keep that in mind. So that's all I wanted to talk about this pattern. So you know, if you want to receive some signals, make sure to join the private group, and then you're going to receive all those signals. You know, depending on your time zone, I'm gonna make sure like to give the signals as soon as possible, because most of you guys live in Australia, you know, China, you know, UK, Colombia, so it depends on your time. Depending on your time zone, I'm gonna do my best to give the signals as soon as possible. Okay, as soon as possible. Okay, so let's take a look at the daily time frame, and then we're gonna discuss our previous signal. Right, our previous signal, we said like basically gonna drop down to like a 98.22, right? But BTC came down to like a 98.58, and some exchanges might be lower also, right? So, but always give my targets some rooms. Okay, like if I say 98.22, you wanna at least like give it 25 points. All right, 98.50, stuff like that, right? You would have you know, you would have like hit the target. But if I give you 98.22 and you're waiting exactly at 98.22, it's not going to be easy. Okay, it might come down to 98.26, or it might even like break 98.22 like a 25 points or something like that. Okay, but 25 points is pretty accurate. Okay, if like I give you 98.22 and BTC came down to like 98.50, that's pretty accurate, guys. There's nothing I can do if BTC doesn't hit your target exactly. Okay, it's nothing I can do. All right, but I'm trying to help as much as I can, but also help me out. Give my targets like little room. Okay, give it a little room, at least 25 to 35 points. Okay, 25 to 35 points. So let me take a look at the chat room, see if you guys have any question before I, you know, I dive into the details. All right. Okay. Hey, what's up? Like, I'm gonna answer your question. How do I spot like entry and exit? It's not easy, guys. Most of these target I'm giving you guys, it takes me like a lot of time to give you these targets. Okay, it takes me lot of time to give you this target. It is not easy at all. Okay, so make sure to join the Telegram group, and then I'm gonna, you know, tell you, you know, not tell you, but I'm gonna give you targets. And during my live streams, I'm trying to make it easy to show you like how do I spot targets. I use multiple like moving averages. Most of the stuff I do privately. I cannot show you because it is not like something I can teach. It is something I just look at and see. But I'm trying to develop like a way to explain to you guys how do I see this pattern. But it is not something I learn, or you know, I spend like hours and days learning. It is just something I see and recognize. Okay, but I'm gonna put a note and show you guys how can you develop this pattern on your own. Okay, recognizing this pattern on your own. All right. So hopefully you guys doing good. That was a 1,000-point move, like from a 10.94 to like a 98.4. That's a 1,100 points, guys. So hopefully some of you guys already like capitalize on it, because some of you guys stay in like on our first call, like even from you guys remember our first call was like 10.4, right? 10.4, but BTC decided to break out, all right, and then hit our stop loss, and then we got another set call from like a 9.4, right? When I mean 9.4, 10.94, I just don't want to say all those numbers. So 10.94, we hit it exactly, all right. Some of you guys made a lot of profit, and I say take profits from like a 10.75 to a 10.66, right? And we hit that target exactly, but I did not give another target because some of you guys were in trouble, and I didn't want to put you in more trouble, not understanding what to do, stuff like that. So I had to take it slow for you guys, all right? But you guys did good staying in, and then make 1,000 points, okay? 1,000 points. That's great. That's great. So right now we're dropping down to 10K. Let's move on to the lower time frame first. When you take a look at the lower time frame, so what we got right now, BTC show giving us a 3-wave move. So most people are gonna count 5 and then try to get this move to the upside, number 5. Now and I'm like, we're not gonna get this move, okay? We're not gonna get this move, all right? So we're not going to get this move. So we got this 3-wave move to the upside. So and then but we don't have 3-wave move to the downside yet. We only got one move. You can say this is a move, but we could push higher. That's why I said like put your short orders down like up to like a 10.3 to 10.4, because we could get this move. Okay, we could get this move and another move to the downside, right? We could get that move and another move to the downside. So keep that in mind. So we got some short position just about this area. Okay, just about this area. It should be only for the private groups, but I think this one slipped, right? So, but it's not a financial advice if you're trying to short BTC right around this area of 10.3 to 10.4, and then it pushed to the upside, because I showed you like this is a 3-wave move to the upside. We could get another 3-wave move to the downside, but the degree of this move, you just don't know how high it is going to be. So but I'm gonna monitor the chart and see how high we could go if like BTC decided to push to the upside. All right, but we're looking for a push in this area, but we got a big target in this area, guys. Big target, buy orders in this area. So it is only for the private members. So if you want to know where we're going to be buying in this area, guys, make sure to join, and then we're going to help you out not to lose like 0.5 or 1 BTC trying to figure out where BTC is going to be moving in this range. Okay, it's not the circle, guys. I just decided to circle it randomly. All right, so I just decided to circle it randomly. Hey, what's up, Ivana? Uncle Sen. All right, that's nice. Hey, what's up, EBRIMA? Thanks for tuning in. So keep that in mind, guys. So what we're looking for right now, we're looking for BTC just to break this area, right? Because most of you guys are already in some shorts, so keep it, okay? Keep it. Your stop losses should be way up here, because I don't think BTC is gonna break it anytime soon. But I'm gonna give you more targets, more targets. Okay, I'm gonna give you more targets. So keep that in mind very shortly. Let's move on to the 15-minute chart. All right, so the 15-minute chart is it is clean. The 15-minute chart giving us like a 3-wave move to the upside in this range. We got 1, 2, 3, and then it seems like we got 3-wave move to the downside. Okay, the degree of this move, we don't know how low it is gonna go. Okay, but we could expect a push to the upside like this. Okay, up to like a 10.2 to 10.4. But if you're in a Telegram group, you're gonna know exactly where could we be selling. Okay, what I mean selling, like shorting. Okay, shorting, because I'm still in a short position, like from 99.50. So I was like negative to almost 10-15%, because I was just doing like a 10x, because I just decided to put more short at 99.50 before I went to sleep, right? But my target, I didn't hit my target like at 98.22. It came down to like a 98.50, right? So I missed it, but I got another short right around like in this area of 10.2 to 10.311. Okay, 10.2 to 10.311. I got another short position, and I'm laddering my short position up to like a 10.5. All right, up to 10.5. But you don't have to do what I do, okay? I'm just telling you, because what I do might be different of what I'm telling you, but it is going to be the same. I'm giving you the safest targets, okay? I'm giving you the safest thing, but I might be doing the most aggressive, okay? Keep that in mind, all right? Keep that in mind. So, keep that in mind. So basically just follow the instructions in the Telegram group, and then you're gonna be okay. Okay, follow the instruction in the Telegram group, and then you're gonna be okay. Another move like you could be anticipating, like if you take your fib level, you know, and then you're from swing low to swing high, 1.27 to 1.4. It is roughly around like a 94 to 92. And then if you're in a Telegram group, you know the target we're looking for. Okay, so I'll give you all these details, right? I gave you all these details. You might be waiting for a week or so to hit your target, right? But don't rush it. You don't want to chase BTC. Just be like Dan Perry. Then when BTC was like a 10.9, she did not buy. Okay, she didn't buy, and then she waited BTC like to hit like 10.2 to, you know, to hit her target. Okay, I think then is a her, right? To hit her target. So keep that in mind. Don't chase BTC. Just wait for the target we're giving you down to this area. Okay, down in this area. Okay, down in this area. All right, somewhere in this area. Wait for BTC to hit your target. Okay, so let's move on to other alt. If you guys have any question, I'm gonna be able to answer your question. If you guys want to talk about Ethereum or, you know, or LITECOIN. We talked about Ethereum, LITECOIN less than 12 hours ago. Nothing has changed. So if you did not watch that live stream, make sure to go back and watch it. Hey, what's up, Blondie? You're welcome. Hello, Jamie. What's up, Holden? Okay, you say yes. What's up, Holden? It doesn't play out perfectly, but we still got our target. It is just a pattern comparison. We're not saying it is gonna play out perfectly, but it is a pattern comparison. Just because they don't play out, it doesn't mean you have to ignore them. Okay, we've been pretty much bullish since like December. And I said like we only like 45% bearish. We're still bullish. Okay, we're still bullish, and then we can hit like 11.2 to 11.4, right? But it is not like a 90% bullish like we were before. Okay, we're not 90% bullish, right? So keep that in mind. Hey, what's up? 55 miles per hour. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum very shortly. And then we're going to come back to BTC and take a look at the lower time frame. Ethereum BTC is trying to you know, break out to the upside, but you take a look at the pattern in this range. We got this move, and then we got this move. This move should be coming down, but like I said, it's not going to be a straight line. Okay, this move you could anticipate like it to be another three-way move to the downside, like this. Okay, like this. All right, we could be anticipating Ethereum to make another three-way move to the downside. So I'm not expecting like this move to be a straight line. Okay, I'm not expecting this move to be a straight line, and after that we could anticipate a small bounce. All right, but we still got another move to the downside versus BTC. All right, we still got another move to the downside versus BTC. It could be it's not going to be in a head and shoulder, because this move is not, you know, straight down. It didn't come straight down to the previous low, so you cannot anticipate like a head and shoulder in this range. You cannot, right? Let me show you. Let me clean up the chart. you cannot say like, oh, that's a head and shoulder. You can't do that, right? You cannot do that. All right. So but keep that in mind very shortly. If the pattern change, we're just gonna reanalyze it and see like where could we be heading to. But the most probable or the possible scenario is just this. Okay, that's the most you're gonna get. Okay, that's the most you're gonna get. A one-to-one extension. A one-to-one extension of this move is very possible. But I don't trade Ethereum, so be careful trying to short Ethereum. A one-to-one extension could be this move and another drop after that. All right, but either way you look at it, we're gonna drop. Okay, either way you look at it, we're gonna drop. Okay, you're gonna get this three-wave move, impulse wave to the downside, another correction, and another drop. That's another possible way of looking at it, and then you're gonna get this flat correction. All right, that's another way of looking at it. All right, but basically the overall pattern for Ethereum is pretty much bearish. Okay, if we get this flat correction, it's even gonna be worse. It's even gonna be worse. All right, it's even gonna be worse. So a push to the upside for Ethereum just gonna create more trouble for Ethereum. Basically, either way you look at it. Okay, either way you look at it. Hey, what's up, Ali Matar? BTC all-time highs this year. We can get it, but with a 45% bearishness, it's not gonna be easy. All right, I'm not saying we cannot hit 20k or 16k, but the pattern we're getting right now, it could like slow down the process to the upside, and then unless like we get high volatility, we can hit it. Like we have to hit like a 8k 9k very quickly and then push to the upside. But if we wanna make the same move like we made back in like September last year, I don't think we're gonna hit like 20k. Okay, I don't think we're gonna hit 20k. So if you go back and take a look at like the move back in September 2018, right, in this range, with all that volatility, like the 33rd back in October 15 and all of that, it's not going to be easy to hit all-time high this year. Okay, not going to be easy. So you can see like we got this the same exact pattern, but most people did not talk about this inverse. I mean, not inverse, this head and shoulder. Last year I didn't see anybody talk about it. Okay, last year I did not see anybody talk about this head and shoulder, and it played out perfectly. Okay, it played out perfectly. A one-to-one extension to the downside, 3100 exactly. Okay, exactly at 3100. So you can go back and take a look at it. So most of the time, these patterns, they don't play out when you see them. Okay. They don't play out, right? You can see one-to-one extension in this range. One-to-one extension, guys. One-to-one extension, exactly. It depends where you put your extension tool, right? If you put it right here, it's gonna break it, right? If you put it right here, you're gonna be concerned. It is exactly, the breakout point, all right? The breakout point. So in this area, if we put it, our, one-to-one extension in this range, let's see. We put our one-to-one extension, guys, I was pretty bullish on BTC like since like 3100. So if I'm bearish on BTC, it's for a reason. Okay, it's not for any personal reason, because I don't care if BTC is like 100,000 or BTC is like 1,000. Okay, you're still gonna get opportunities to be profitable, right? That's what I'm trying to say. I do care about the price of BTC. I don't want BTC to go to zero. So if the next line is, just about this area, you could say like BTC could be going back to 5k, right? So in this area, 5k, right? In this area. So if you say like the neckline, we're gonna break out from the current price. Okay, you're gonna say 5k, right? But like let's say we break out like from like a 10.3, 10.4, the neckline could be in this range, still going to be like 5,200, 5,500. But, saying like the neckline going to be 7k, going to be very aggressive. Okay, going to be very aggressive. Going to be very aggressive. So just be aware, okay? Just be aware of the BTC bearishness, okay? Be aware of it, all right? Be aware of it. So So if you guys don't have any question, we're just gonna keep it short so you guys can remember, like because we don't have any need to make a 2 hours live live stream if you guys are not interested in talking about alt, because most alt, they pretty much very bearish. Okay, very bearish. All right, they pretty much very bearish. They're pretty much very bearish. So LITECOIN down 2% in the last hour. BTC is 99.75. So it is not looking good unless you're pretty much bearish. It is gonna look good for you. Okay, it is gonna be very, very, very good summer for you. All right, August, September gonna be nice, guys. Gonna be nice. All you have to do is just keep your shorts. Oh, that's all you have to do. All right, that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. But just be careful, guys. If you're not in a Telegram group, just be careful. Okay, just be careful, because we still can get this move. All right, still can get this push to the upside. All right. So if you're in profits from your shorts, take profits. Okay, take profits. Okay, from this area of 99 to 98, make sure to take profits. And then if like we get a clear breakout, I'm gonna try to update the price. Okay, I'm gonna try to update the price. All right, if we get a clear breakout. But right now we're just retesting this area. So but take profits and then stay green. Okay, take profit and stay green. Okay, stay green. Hey, what's up, Mr. Greg? Thank you for tuning in, man. It's been a while. I send out most of our signals. We're sending it out like on a Telegram group, so you're gonna get notification. We're gonna be moving to a Discord. If you don't have Discord, make sure to get your Discord channel ready, Discord account ready. We're gonna get the Discord very soon, maybe next week. Okay, as soon as we settle down with our targets and stuff like that, get everybody settled down. This is only our second week. Most of you guys very profitable. More than 60% of you guys very profitable. Some of you guys still struggling with the using most of these exchanges, because you guys new to trading. So we're gonna give you guys time to settle down. I'm helping most of you guys, but if you have any question, just ask it in the group. Most of you guys gonna be helping out. So if you have any question, don't wait for me. Just send a message to the, not a message, but ask something in the group. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Though you don't have to direct your message to me, okay? Because sometimes I'll be busy looking at the chart and trying to give you some targets. All right. So do I see ZILLIQA going? ZILLIQA gonna go much lower. Hey, ¿cómo estás? I don't speak Spanish, but ¿cómo estás? All right. Jude. Okay, I think ZILLIQA gonna go much lower than 0.0075, right? It is gonna go half of that. All right, I'm sorry, but it could go half of that. All right, it could go half of that. Most alt, right, they're gonna lose another 40 to 60% of their value. It is just what it is, guys. It is just what it is. All right, if you like ZILLIQA, you can hold on to it. It is not a financial advice. And I've been saying it like the last 30 days, most alt are gonna lose a lot of value. Okay, BTC value and dollar value, and they've been doing so, like, since I said like they're gonna be losing their value. They already lost 30%, right? Like ICX already like 18 cents. When I say this coin's gonna drop like 50%, ICX was like almost 30 cents, right? Now ICX is like 18 cents, right? WANCHAIN 22 cents. XRP, even though I'm a big fan, I'm still looking for XRP at 589. But I said like we're gonna be dropping to 22 sats. Okay, let's take a look at XRP. XRP, we broke this area of support in this range. Right now, XRP, I think we hit like 24 sats, right? 25 sats. And when we say like XRP gonna hit 22 sats, XRP was like almost roughly 34. Okay, 34, not 34 sats, but 3,500. Okay, 3,500. Now it is roughly about 2400 to 2600, right? So it is a lot, guys. It is a lot, right? It is a lot. It is a lot, guys. It is a lot. So this red line, it is roughly around like a 2100, right? So most likely XRP gonna retest it. It is gonna retest it, guys. It is gonna retest it. Okay. And XRP USD, we said like we could be retesting 14 to 15 sats. Guys, I'm an XRP moon boy, so don't panic because I said XRP gonna hit like a 14 cents. It is what it is, okay? It is what it is. It is nothing you can do. You cannot pump XRP. I cannot pump XRP, all right? And I cannot dump XRP neither. But I just have to be honest with what I see in the chart, okay? I just have to be honest with what I see. Okay, if like we get a reversal, we just go with it. Okay, we just go with it. But right now we got a bearish pattern. Nothing is in favor of the bulls. Okay, it's not in our favor. Okay, let's just admit it, and then look for XRP to hit this range. Okay, depending how you draw your fib level, you could just be conservative and say like roughly 55 cents was the top, because this move was just a formal move. Okay, but if you take the entire move like to 80 cents, it's gonna be horrible, guys, because you could be looking for XRP 10 cents. That's why I'm trying to be conservative, and then just take the 55 cents, 63 cents, because I remember exactly this area for XRP, man. It was nice, man. It was nice. Last September 12, I remember, right? It was a Friday, right? September, I think 20, like in this range. But I know, like 22nd, right? 19. But whatever. But I think it was a Friday. XRP went up like 80%. So 80%, guys. $10 XRP, here we come. Double bottom. XRP already triple bottoming. You mean double bottom on the lower time frame, but on the bigger time frame, it is already a double bottom. Okay, it is already a double bottom. So on the lower time frame, it is just noise. It is just noise, guys. Like I'm just doing this lower time frame for the day traders, but you guys knew like since like December, I don't like when I started like the channel like back in December, I never talked about like a 15-minute stuff like that. I'm just doing it for these day traders, okay, to give them some points. But most of the time, like I just talked about like a daily, 4-hour, weekly, and monthly, right? But this is a double bottom already, guys. It is a double bottom. So if like we break 24 cents, that's it, guys. That's it, okay? That's it. We don't want to break this current level of 24 cents, all right? 26 to 24 cents. A retest of it is very probable in this range. Retest like a 24, push to the upside, a possible breakout, and then a break to the downside. Okay, it is nothing but noise. It is nothing but noise until we get a big volume and a big push to the upside. Otherwise, it is just noise. These small candles, you don't wanna play. Okay, you don't wanna play these small candles. Okay, if you're holding, just hold it and wait for the breakout to the upside, a very big candle to the upside, guys. XRP doesn't play. If it wants to push to the upside, it's not going to give you like 5-10%, okay? It is going to give you 25, 45, 50% move. Wait for that move, guys. Wait for that move. Otherwise, wait for the, a slow and painful move to the downside, okay? A slow and painful move. It is not a financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see, okay? Don't go and sell your XRP because I say XRP could be bearish as not to be break 25 cents, 24 cents, okay? It is not a financial advice. I can hold my XRP down to 1 cent, but you might not be able to do so, okay? You might not be able to do so. So just take full responsibility of your action, okay? Don't sell your XRP or buy more XRP because I'm giving out this analysis, okay? I'm giving out this analysis. I don't give XRP signals. Most of my signals, 99% of my signals are based on BTC, but I do XRP analysis. Okay, all right, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind very shortly, guys. Monthly time frame for XRP. Let's take a look at the weekly first, because the weekly weekly chart for XRP looks similar to a LITECOIN BTC chart. I think a LITECOIN BTC chart. It is basically the same chart. So the weekly, we basically double bottom, right? Look at the weekly. That's double bottom, guys. That's double bottom. Okay, it's not looking good at all if you take a look at it in the bigger picture, and we haven't seen a clear three-way move like this. Okay, like this. Okay, we haven't seen a three-way move to the downside. We haven't seen it yet. Okay, haven't seen it. The only thing I can expect like for XRP to do is just push, make a flat correction in this range. It's going to take forever. Okay, it is going to be a continuation pattern, a breakdown. Okay, a break to the downside. Volume is decreasing. Can you imagine like on the weekly time frame if like we get a big volume? Okay, we get a big volume, and if this volume is red, guys, it's not going to be good. Sorry guys, but it is what it is, man. Like we all want some cheaper prices, and the bull market, you know, hasn't started yet for alt. So let's get the cheapest prices we can. Okay, let's get the cheapest prices we can get. All right. I mean, for alt, we're still in a bear market. We never, like the alt, after like April 1st, basically the first week of April, I told you guys, it is what it is. But alt, you know, the first week of April, if you guys been following me, April 7th, I told you like if we break like, if alt cannot break like April 1st prices, it's over. Okay, it is we you know, it's gonna look very nasty. All right, if you guys been following since like at least April, guys, April 7th. So because I told you like April 1st was very important for alt season, right? April 1st was very important for alt season. So basically we're still in a bear market. Alt, they're still in a bear market, but BTC could be tapping out just to retract and push to the upside. All right, so XRP monthly chart for John. Okay, the monthly chart, it is cleaner. You can see like how clean the monthly is. Okay, you can see how clean the monthly is. Okay, that's a 5 years view. You can see like we already, you know, we're about to break below this area. Okay, on the monthly chart we already broke it. Okay, you take a look at the monthly, we already broke this area. We basically trading below the we basically, hopefully we're not gonna close like below 28 cents this month. Okay, hopefully we're not gonna close below 28 cents this month. Okay, it is gonna look nasty, right? If we close below 28 cents, that's it. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it. Next month gonna be very rough. Gonna be very rough. Seems like BTC dropping. I see like Cardano down 1%. Let's see. I think BTC must be dropping. Okay. Yes, it is dropping. It is dropping. So for those of you guys like who I mean, most of you guys in a paid group like started shorting like roughly around like 10-2 this morning, right? So just I said like keep your shorts. Don't try to long BTC. It is just a you know, now it is 98.88. So and target was like 92. Just move your you can take profit and then move your you know, your stop limit right around like a 10K, stuff like that. Okay, right around 10K. So all of you guys doing good. Even if you shorted at 10.2 this morning, you're doing good. Okay, because I told you you can wait at 10.3 to 10.4, right? But keep your shorts. Okay, don't exit your position, your entire position. At least leave like 25 to 30% of your position. If it goes higher, man, you just wake up, make your coffee, and short BTC, guys. It is what it is, but you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Let's take a look at BTC. It is looking very interesting, guys. So make sure to hit the like, subscribe, join the either the premium or join the private group. I mean the public private group if you want. So it all depends on you if you can if you want to make, if you want to be profitable or not. Okay, it all depends on you. All right. It all depend on you. So monthly, that's a weekly chart. The 21 I think that's a 21 EMA in this area. This yellow, this orange line, it is roughly right around like the previous the most recent bearish candle back in May, right? June, the first week of June, right? That's the 7400 level. So we could be retesting it very shortly, guys. We could be, all right? We could be retesting it. Stellar down, all these alt, they drop into the downside, all right? They drop into the downside. So it is not safe right now to be long in BTC, guys. It is not safe. Don't try to long BTC for like 100 points, 50 points, stuff like that with 30x leverage, stuff like that. Just follow the trend. The trend is bearish. We hit the top at 94. Stay in your position. Just move your stop lower right now. Just put it at 10.1 and then just watch it drop. You don't have to do anything, guys. If you're a long-term hodler, I give you a target, okay, to buy BTC. Okay, I cannot give it out in the public, but I'll give you a long-term target. All right. Okay, I give you a target in you know where you're supposed to be buying. Just ladder your position in that area. Okay, so all of you guys should be set right now with good profits. So don't lose your profits. Okay, profits, don't mess with your profits. Don't lose it. These profits, they don't come easy. All right, they don't come easy. All right, and you're only paying 0.011 BTC to get all these profits, and then you don't want to lose it like overnight. Okay. Nobody ain't gonna give you like a 1600 points call, like from 10-fold right around this top, right? Not 10-fold, from 10.94 down to like 9K. That's a 2000 points call, guys. Like, and most of you guys wanted to go long, and I told you don't go long. Okay, don't long BTC. Don't long BTC, guys. Don't long BTC. So if you enjoy the content, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and join the private group. All right. Join the private group, be profitable, and then save your profits. Please save your profits. September gonna be better, okay? September gonna be better. September gonna be better. Take a look at BTC on Bybit. Bybit, it is roughly around 98.23, guys. 98.23. 98.23. So this week gonna be nasty, guys. It is gonna be nasty. Keep your shorts, take profits, all the way down to our targets. Okay, all the way down to our target. Okay. So then Paris, be careful buying high and selling low, okay? I know BTC came down to your target of 10.2, but just be careful, okay? You see, like you could have bought at 10.2, now you're going to be selling at 98, okay? So I told you, like, just wait for your target. Even though 10.2 was your personal target, that has never been our target. So be careful and try to respect like the signals, okay? Try to respect the signals, okay? Just put your orders where follow the pin, and then you're gonna be okay. Okay, follow the pin. If like we get a sudden price action, like a move to the upside, I'm gonna give you guys an alert. Okay, I'm gonna let you know, get out, and then stay alert. Okay, stay alert. Move your stop right around 10K right now. If you bought at if you sold at like, not sold, but if you start shorting like from 10.9, move your stop like to 10.2 to 10.4, and then just sit sit tight and relax. Enjoy the ride down to wherever we're going. All right, enjoy the ride. Hey John, thanks a lot, man. I try to do my best to read these messages, but when I wake up and then a BTC is slapping me with a big red candle, and then all of you guys making profits, I'm extremely happy. And then sometimes I don't even have time to read the messages. But be careful, okay? We pretty much been waiting for this red big candle. We're getting it now. Let's sit tight, relax. Don't do anything crazy. Use your stops, enjoy the ride. If you get stopped out, stay out of the way, wait for the next call. Okay, wait for the next call. Okay, wait for the next call. So most of you guys now hit your target exactly at 98.22, guys. On Bybit we just hit what, 98. The low was 97.82. So you see we hit our target exactly. So this target was given like 12 hours ago, guys. 12 hours ago. So if you FOMO'd from this move, you know, you would have get, you know, chopped out. I say like put your sell order right around 94, right? 92.75 to 94. So we didn't even get that. So now we're moving down to our lower target. Okay, moving down to our lower target. We're breaking it now. All right. So BTC is beautiful, man. When BTC is giving you like a red big candle, it is beautiful also, guys. Look at this candle, guys. Look at this. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to be a bear. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Man, come on. Ah, man. Good gosh. It's going down, guys. It's going down. Going down. So if you're not like swing trade, if you're swing trading, just stay in your position. Okay, stay in your position and stay alert. Okay, stay alert. Stay alert. Stay alert. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Don't sleep on BTC, guys. Even if you're bullish, don't sleep on the bears. If you're bearish, don't sleep on the bulls. Okay, you just can't sleep on BTC. Otherwise, you're gonna go to the moon with a bicycle, man. I don't know. I can't just help it. You're gonna go to the moon with a bicycle. All right. You're not gonna Lambo. You want a Lambo? Don't sleep on BTC. Don't sleep on BTC, guys. Don't sleep on BTC. It's beautiful, guys. It is really beautiful, guys. It's really, really beautiful. Red big candle. Let me take a look at the chat room, and if you guys have any question. I know it is pretty bearish. It is a fun time, but if you guys don't have a question, we just call it a day. Let's short 100x. Please don't short 100x. Don't short more than 10x neither, guys, unless you get like a a special request to do so. So make sure to hit the like, subscribe, join the private group to receive these big calls, guys. $1,000 call. You can get it from you can get it. You don't get those $1,000 call every day, guys. You don't get those $1,000. Hey, what's up, Spencer? You don't get this $1,000 call. It is not time to go long, guys. Most people are gonna tell you, like, if like let's say we get a rebound in this area, okay? Some people are gonna come out and say, "Oh, I've been long in BTC since like 98." But be careful, guys. You cannot get like 500% gain. Like somebody showed like a 500% gain yesterday in the public Telegram group. When BTC was like, I think like 10.4, right? How are you gonna get 500% gain from 10.9 to 10.4? The only way you can get 500% gain is like you're doing 100x. Okay, mathematically it doesn't sound right. Okay, when somebody posting like I made a 500% gain, it is because you're doing 100%. You're doing 100x. Okay, when you do 100x, when BTC moves like roughly 100 points, you make 100% gain, right? So if you get like 568% gain, it means like you did 100x when BTC was like roughly 10,960. You did 100x, okay? Because 10,960, right, to like a 10,540, it is 500 points, right, roughly, right? To like a 10,4, it is 500 points. So 500 points, 100% each point, that's going to give you 500% gain. So people are not stupid. People can do math. So don't just go in a group, the public group, and showing like 300% gain, 500% gain when BTC did not even move like 200 points. It doesn't make any sense, okay? It doesn't make any sense, okay? If you're doing 10x, BTC moves like 200 points, you're gonna make 20% gain. That's the most you can make, right? That's the most you're gonna make. So mathematically, it doesn't sound reasonable to post those big gains, because we all can do math, all right? We all can do math, all right? Hey, what's up, Mario? It will not go below 98. All right, let's see if that's nice. If like we don't go below like 98, we just take it to the upside. Okay, we just take it to the upside. We're gonna update the targets and then take it to the upside, guys, because we really don't care how BTC what's the price of BTC. We just care about how BTC gonna be moving. Whether it's move up to the upside or to the downside. That's all we care about. Okay, that's all we care about. That's all we care about. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? HDs. Okay, HDs. We're doing well, guys. We're doing well. 98 right now. 98. The only way we could be looking for a reversal if like BTC pushes to the upside back to roughly 10.1. okay, if like we push back to the upside 10.1, that's going to be very bullish, guys. That's why I say like put your stop losses. Okay, put your stop losses, take your profits and put some adjust your stop loss. Okay, okay. Hey, what's up, HD? I'm gonna answer your question after the live stream. Okay. Hey, what's up, Mitch? I'm gonna get back to you after the live stream. You're not missing anything. Just if you shorted at 10.2, so I don't know why you waiting for 10.275. You started shorting at 10.135, so you should be okay. I don't know. Yeah, be careful with Bybit. When a BTC is very volatile, it doesn't let you like long, or it doesn't like accept your targets. I mean it doesn't accept your position. Like when you're trying to take a position, it just cancel it, or it just telling you you don't have enough funds, stuff like that. So just be careful. All right. All right, so we're holding strong. It's holding strong, guys. We're holding strong. Let's go to the lower time frame. It is beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. It is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So when you go to the lower time frame, we don't have no sign of reversal. Okay, I was trying to show you like the 21 EMAs this morning, right? If you watch my previous live stream, I was telling you about this 21 EMA is, the most we're gonna get was like a 10.2, right? We didn't even hit 10.2. We hit like 10.175. Okay, and I told you like we're not, it's gonna be tough for BTC to break this 21 EMA. Okay, it doesn't matter which I mean, it does matter which time frame you're looking at, but I think we're looking at like let's see, we're looking at the 15 minutes, right? So you can see it just hugged the 15 EMA, make a round bottom, not round bottom, but round top like this, and then bang, it's nasty. Okay, it's nasty, guys. It's nasty, very nasty. Let's see. Let's take a look at the stock also. So hopefully you guys enjoying your your profits. Okay, the 15 minutes RSI is pretty oversold, but it is a good sign. At least if you're bullish, you want to be bullish, it is a good sign. Okay, whenever the 15 minutes is oversold, and then coupled with the 45 minutes, both of them oversold on a bullish uptrend, it is an incredible opportunity to long BTC. Okay, but right now the 45 minutes is oversold, but we're not getting any sign of reversal. Okay, we could be double bottoming on the 45 minutes, which is going to be really bad. Okay, which is going to be really bad. And I showed you the other day, like this move to the upside. Okay, it's going to drop. Okay, before even like we push to the upside, I showed you like we're gonna drop. Even if you show me like the R side without showing me the BTC pattern, it was only this move in this area. Okay, that was like less than 5 days ago, and I told you we're gonna drop. Okay, but it is hard to resist like the price action when BTC is moving to the upside. It is a very painful move. Okay, it is very painful to stay on the sideline when BTC is moving to the upside and you're waiting to short. Okay, and you wait into short, but it was very painful. But we started shorting at 10.94, excuse me, 10.94, the very top. Okay, so look for a double bottom. If you're not in a Telegram group, look for this move. Okay, look for this move, and look for a divergence. We already got the divergence in this area. Okay, we could get this, and then we could push and drop. All right. Right, but it is not looking good at all if you are bullish. All right, it's not looking good, but us, we are bearish. Hey, comment vas-tu, Sen? Hey, what's up, Ivan Uni? Je vais bien. So guys, don't make me speak some French. So all right guys, I'm just gonna let you guys go. I'm pretty tired, and then BTC is pretty bullish, so I'm gonna take a look at the chart. BTC is pretty bearish, not bullish, and then if anything changes, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. Okay, so stay alert, move your stop right around 10.2 and stay in that range. Okay, and don't do anything, just write it down. Just write it down. That's all you need to do. Write it down. All right guys, thank you for watching.